They are gradually disappearing by one Olympic swimming pool every 30 minutes until nothing is left. They've been known about for over 400 years, but they will vanish for a few months of 2025. What are they, and why will they vanish for a while? I'll say that again. They are gradually disappearing by one Olympic swimming pool every 30 minutes until nothing is left. They've been known about for over 400 years, but they'll vanish for a few months of 2025. What are they, and why will they vanish for a while?
I mean, my first thought was Olympic swimming pools.
Talk about hiding in plain sight. Well, that would be such a devilish question.
I don't know. Maybe France is removing the Parisian swimming pools.
Every half hour, one of them just gets demolished.
One of them goes, guys. Please donate to the Olympic Swimming Pool Fund. That was, I don't know, when you're like, buy one Olympic swimming pool, I was like, the answer's right there.
A swimming pool seems like a good measure of a liquid rather than a gas or a clump of animals.
Well, I guess volume. It's volume in general, so it could be any like liquid or gas, but it's not like area of forest or something like that, because you wouldn't measure that as a volume, I guess.
One pool is disappearing every 30 minutes.
And there'll be none, but you were like, there'll be none for a period of 2025, which suggests they're not going forever.
Is it ozone? Because I know, like, ozone is, we haven't fixed the hole in the ozone layer, but we've done great, but it's on the way back, but not yet. So there's just 2025, like the near future, but they're not there. You can't refer to
it. It feels like something at that level, like an atmospheric thing or something large scale, given that it's a swimming pool every 30 minutes. But yeah, I can't think why it would disappear and then come back again.
And also the wording of the question was they rather than it.
Yes. Like, you've all locked in on some very good bits of that question. Yeah, it's a they, and it is definitely a volume calculation here.
Okay, it's not the non-binary community is disappearing. I hope not.
What volume can be expressed as they? Is it like swarms of birds?
Yeah, or fish or something. Like, can you measure like sardines in Olympic swimming pools? Then how could they all disappear and then start coming back again? Well,
it could be to do with their rate of procreation. Could it? Like, we're losing like species, like a species is being depleted, but thanks to
if they all disappear, as far as I understand it, that's a real game changer for population dynamics. That's an edge case.
Oh, could it be something in space? Could it be stars or constellations or nebulae or something?
Like something's going to go in front of them, so we won't see them for a few months.
That's a very good logical leap, Stuart. That is an excellent set of deductions.
I'll get me loot.
Logical loot. Okay, the idea of something being covered. Yeah, because when you're saying it's vanishing, where's it vanishing to? Well, it's not removing itself from existence because it's going to return.
If they've only been known about for 400 years, that would track also.
Yeah.
So...
the Pleiades, the stars from somewhere.
They've been known about for over 400 years.
It's not stars then, that's older.
Yeah, we're looking for discoveries around 1600.
Okay.
Specific constellations? Something where they've been known about in the way that like Pluto was kind of promoted and demoted? Is there are they moons of a particular planet?
I wonder, because like 400 years makes me think there's most stuff that you can just see in the sky. People have been staring up at that for literally centuries. So it's not going to be something that's visible with the eye. It's going to be something that the invention of telescopes allowed us to see.
Like the moons of somewhere, like, I can never remember who's got all the moons. Is it Neptune?
Enceladus is the one on Jupiter.
I'm not giving you any more hints right now. You're so close there. It's not the moons of Jupiter, but it's the blank of blank. And you just need to fill in the last...
Is it the rings of Saturn?
It's the rings of Saturn.
I think I heard about this.
Great.
Yes, Saturn's rings, because they're all like just gas and rock and stuff, right?
Yep.
So and I heard that they were getting thinner.
Yeah.
I can't remember where I heard that, but I was like, oh no, oh wait, that doesn't affect me at all.
Saturn's too smug with its rings, honestly.
Yeah.
It is one Olympic swimming pool's worth of ring stuff gets pulled into Saturn every 30 minutes or so. That's still going to take 300 million years, but why are they going to vanish for a little while in 2025?
Because Saturn's orbit will take it so far away, or it will take it behind something.
Not quite.
will the rest of Saturn vanish at the same time?
No.
Is it because they'll be exactly side on?
Yeah, that's what I was,
Yeah, they are end on to Earth. So they are going to vanish from our point of view because you're going to look at it through a telescope and that ring is so thin at that distance that for a few months it's just not going to be visible.
Incredible.
Amazing.
God, well
Great
done.
question.
That was such a yes anding got there. Wow, incredible scenes.